Good evening, everyone. This is JJ with Merit Plumbing in Sarasota, Florida. Just doing a quick video today about our Halo H2Zero whole house water filtration and conditioning system we just installed. This is a great system. On the left hand side, the first bottle there on the left, that is the whole house water filter. It contains a high activated, high quality carbon that removes chloramine, so chlorine and ammonia, taste and odor issues from the water. It has a 10-year warranty from the manufacturer, so you can set it and forget it, install it. It's good to go for the next 10 years. It will take out chlorine, taste and odor. On the right hand side is a second bottle that has the Halo ion magnet, which is a water conditioner. What the water conditioner does is it alters the hard water minerals that form scale buildup that deteriorate plumbing systems. The nice thing about this is, unlike a water softener that requires constant maintenance and the addition of salt to the water, as well as discharging salty water during the regeneration cycle, the ion magnet just alters the hard water minerals so they do not cling to internal plumbing systems and water using appliances, which is great because it allows you to still drink the beneficial minerals in the water, but it just changes them so they don't deteriorate the plumbing system and your water using appliances. The ion magnet has a 25-year guarantee from Halo. So this system, you install it, you just leave it, set it and forget it, put it in, and for at least 10 years you have no worries, no maintenance. The other nice thing about this Halo H2Zero system is it requires no electricity. So on the top of the bottle here, there is no electronic control head, so there's no need for power. So on this installation here, there was no external power source. So with this system, the customer did not have to call an electrician and pay for a separate bill to have an outlet put in out here. The other nice thing about not having an electronic control head on the top is there's nothing to go wrong. There's no circuit boards to fail. There's no gears that ants can get into and bind up. So you just put this system in for 10 years and you're good to go. And for many people, even after 10 years, it will still be removing the chloramines from the water. On the top, these red handles, this is the bypass system. So when these arrows are pointing in line with the pipes, water can go into the system and back out of the system. Anytime that someone has a whole house filtration system, I always recommend once a month or every 2 months, put the system into bypass by just turning the valves. This will allow water to skip past the filter. The reason you want to do that is that, as great it is to remove the chloramines from the water supply, they're there for a reason, to give us, safe drinking water. And so what can happen with a whole house filtration system is, if you don't bypass it on a regular basis, is you can start to get bacteria into the home. So if you leave it in service for too long, sometimes people will start getting like black debris in the toilets, on the ends of the faucets, or even in some cases they can start getting odor. If that happens, just put it in bypass for a couple of days, get some chlorine in the system, and that will take care of it and help prevent that. I have a Halo 5 system at my home, which is a little bit different than this, and I do the same thing at my house. Once a month, I bypass it for about 24 to 48 hours and get some chlorine in the system. If you're going to be going away for a week or two on vacation, or if you're a seasonal resident in Florida, like this family is, I always recommend, before you leave for vacation, put it in bypass for a couple of days, get some chlorine in the system. That way, while you're gone, there's some chlorine in the system, keeping the plumbing system disinfected. We do want to make sure that we keep everything good and healthy in your plumbing system. So that is the Halo H2Zero.